Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to play Aviator using ChatGPT. First of all, you have to go to ChatGPT and you have to type give me a Python code that chooses a multiplier value between 1 and 15, and it also chooses a number between 1 and 10. So I will hit enter and let's see if it gives me a code. So ChatGPT has given me a code written in Python. So I will copy the code and I will type py native on Google search engine, and then I will select online Python code editor. A new page will open. I will enter my Python code just right here and click on run. Now as you can see, it is showing me a multiplier value and number. So it is not realistic, it is just for fun. So for example, I have been given a number 3 and multiplier 10, which is unrealistic. So I will select on go to 3 and I will bet and I will wait for it. As you can see, it flew away. So it is unrealistic, but it is working. And that's how you can play Aviator using ChatGPT. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.